Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. If you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the focus of this video is the fischertechnik hydraulics set with, on this part, the automated part, and here is the manually operated part. Usually I get this one blocked, then I can operate it, and via this piston I move around a pivot and then get via this propeller running. So I have concentrated on the manual part. Let me move the camera a little bit. And the idea is to get things running. So let us do just that. See whatever happens. Right. For a change, I did it last time from here. So let's do. And as you can see, I can move it pretty freely without something happening here. That means that once again a lot of air is in the system. Which means I have to refill before I get better results. And with a little bit different view, you can see the source code ready for the automated part. I haven't refilled yet. Well, I haven't filled the cup, but I haven't refilled this. So instead of this one or this one, I'm going to refill this one and see what difference it makes, if it makes a difference. And regarding this part, let me move the tunnel a bit. This seems quite well filled with air bubbles, so I don't like that. This one is mostly inside, so I need to refill here and here anyway. Let's do so. I have moved the camera a bit so you can see this piston, and I have taken off this one, which was right here. Now the problem is that although this piston is completely retracted, this one is bouncing. So first of all I have to take this tube off. And then purge this one. A lot of air and a lot of water. And now I have to take this one upside down. Empty it. And yeah, of course the question is now, how well will this go? Well, there's not much air in here now. Exactly what's exactly the purpose. So this one is filled in completely. Can't do much about that one, neither about the air. So that come off too easily. Put it in place, and let's see how easy this goes. There's still air here, so I didn't get all the air out of the system, unfortunately. But it responds better. So how will it respond when this one is connected? I don't know. Now the thing is, I also have to refill this one, so that one I will refill off camera and then see how things work out. Because in this way it certainly won't work. To give an indication, with my fingernail is the water level, which should be here. So that is quite a difference in level. Not nice. So now in order to test everything, I have to start the program. And hopefully this end, the automated end, keeps working. So the rubber band is working. Yep. Now you see it running. You see the movement. So with that working, let's do this part. And that is not operating as desired. A very big air bubble here. The flexibility has gone, so it's much more rigid now. But apart from that, this one hardly moves, and this is exactly what is needed. But it doesn't even, now the propeller works. So what happens when I do this? Okay, then pull again, push I mean, air bubble, okay, so in order to really get it working, I probably will have to put it closer by. So let's do that. So I've replaced this one by just 3 short pieces. So what happens this time, if anything happens? Okay, manually assisted. It doesn't even retract. So why is this working? Why is this functional? And why is this not functional? Not the way I anticipated it. A huge air bubble here, but I have to keep adding manual resistance, and even this isn't functional, not the way I assumed. Air is here, so when I fully pull this, a lot of air here. This is, yeah, there's a little bit of air here. So the question is, does it even work? Will it even work? I really don't know. Right, with this, ending so far, it has shown that even when I shorten this, it won't work. Not the way I envisioned it. One of you even said, why do you even want a pivot? Well, just an idea to get 2 systems working. And another thing is, I have a T-piece to combine, to make 3 pivots work together. And yes, hydraulics law says when you have 3, 1 will be filled completely, and when you push it, 2 will be filled half, obviously. But then again, this pivot would be nice to get this system working. Would it be nice to forget about the pivot and put this part directly onto this part? Could even be done. I don't know. I can check. But then again, what's the fun of that? Well, to check it out, that's the fun of it. Will I be doing it now? Nah, nicer for next time. So, with that idea in mind, to directly connect this one with this one, not with the automated part, by the way, yet. I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the bell for notifications. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. Please show your support by donating via PayPal or via Ko-fi, or becoming a patron from €2 or $2 a month. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. This is, as said, going to be continued. For now, have a nice day, stay safe, take care, bye.